with you, so sweet to me. This is where I wanna be. Caught up with you, supersonic, we're on fire, rockin' love alive. Caught up with you, rockin' love alive. Caught up with you. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, with my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Just in the backseat of the Beamer, put my feet up, how you feeling? Yeah. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. We can take it slowly, we can take it slow. So don't tell me you want me, just because you're lonely, just because you saw me at the party with my homies. We can take it slowly, we can take it slow, because music
Okay. Yeah. Um okay. Technical implementation. How you work on project. Okay. Teamwork. Your communication. How you introduce your project. Okay. And result or reward announcement. The final result will be officially announced on Bucket Study website and on Stop portal under the Bucket Study Hackathon challenge phase. Okay, in 24 hours uh, we declare result. Okay, reward distribution after the winners will be receive reward within the 7 days after the result declaration. Okay, so today is more than demo, so it's a celebration to building collaboration and solving the problem whenever the win or not completing a project and presenting a live and huge achievement you are already gained experience. So let's begin the final round of Bucket Study Hackathon 2025. All the best for every team. Let's see what will next. So let's call up first team, team VRS. Please share your screen and demo. Team URS. Yes, sorry. Team SRV. Sorry, SRV. Team SRV, please present your demo. Yeah. Other member watch live on YouTube channel. Okay, Bucket Study. 30 second. Can you skip my screen? Yeah, it's visible now. Yes. One second. One of our members is not yet online. Okay. We wait. Wait, just contact. Okay, fine. Everyone, please read your demo. Okay. Okay, so hi everyone. We are Team SRV and we are currently in third year of engineering and SRV because our team name members are Soham, Reva and Vaishnavi. I'm Reva and I'm going to be introducing our project. Sorry, I forgot to. So basically, we have made a stock trading simulator, which was the fifth problem statement. Okay. And yeah, so this is our landing page. So for a new user, we have made a provision for accounts. So a new user can register themselves. So I'll just walk through a sample registration. Okay. After, sorry, what is this? What is go slow? Yeah. No. Okay. So this is a user that is already there. So this is our dashboard. For an already existing user, they will see their account balance and the change of today. This is a chart which will show their weekly performance. Over here, you can see the stocks that they are currently holding, as well as the previous stocks that they have held. So we'll come back to this. So the next is our trade page. Where first we'll go to research, where you can where we have included widgets from TradingView, okay. Which show they are actually based on the US stock market, but we could only find those, so we have currently included them. Okay. And this is a stock scaler, which is a variety of information. You can toggle through many things here. and there's also a filter. This is all from the trading view. So
Okay, nice, nice. Yeah.
yeah. And next we have included a learn tab also, where we have provided some hard-coded videos for now. And if you click, then run some information.
Don't play. Okay.
Now coming to trade, basically you have to enter some symbol. Let's say I enter Amazon, so AMZN, and the stock it. Then this will send a request to the FinHub API, which also we have integrated,
Okay.
and you will get the price.
Oh,
So
level
this will
stop.
show the max quantity of stocks that you yeah. So this will show the max quantity of stocks that you can buy. So if I say 400, it will cap it to 378. So for now, I'll say 30, and I can choose any action. Say buy, long term, and we have added tooltips for some basic information. If I say limit, it will give me a limit price. I say market and preview. This will give me a preview, and if I want, I can go back and edit anything. So if I confirm the trade, then and we redirect to the homepage, my account value has gone down, and this has added here, as you can see.
Yeah, good.
Again, yeah. And from so this is basically our history. So if I want, I can sell from here also. From 30, I can sell 20 of them, and again this will become 10, and there will be another entry added here, Amazon, with the timestamp and everything.
Wait, payments. Okay. And other members work?
Yeah, so they will be walking you through our code base. So this was just an introduction, and actually, yeah, I got the issue now. If I say if I want, I'm registering a user. For a new user, we have also added a functionality of a walkthrough only on their first login. Which is what I wanted to show you, but there was an issue, right? RKS. And yeah, so yeah, I forgot to mention this by mistake. On their first login, they get $100,000 virtual money,
Okay.
with which they can begin trading.
Means reward. Joining reward.
Sorry?
Joining reward.
Yeah, like so they need to have some basic virtual money. With this is not based on real money, right?
Okay.
So they have been given this virtual money.
Nice.
Yeah, so the account balance is basically virtual money here.
Yeah.
And this is all the things that they can do in our app. And yeah, this was just on the first thing they get a tutorial which I wanted to introduce. And
Okay.
then I made a new account with yeah, blank stuff, slate.
Okay. Show me your backend.
Yes. So our backend is done in VS Code. And Vaishnavi, Soham, can either of you guide me where to go? Yeah.
Yeah, one by one. Explain.
Yeah, yeah. Hello, I'm Vaishnavi, and I have worked on the JavaScript part. So, Reva, could you open the template? Okay, yeah, before that, I'll just give an overview. So, we have used Flask micro framework for our backend and the SQLite extension, Flask SQL Alchemy for our database. And our front end is made using HTML, CSS, and Jinja for templating. So, our models folder contains all of our tables, which will for the data of the user, right? Templates are the HTML pages on which we conditionally render data depending on the Jinja blocks. And controllers are where all the logic part of the thing is written, depending on the endpoints and everything.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice.
So she will start. Yes. So she will start by introducing. Yeah. Could you open the home page? I'll go through the core functionalities. Firstly, could you go down to the scripts part? Okay. Okay. So we have yes. Yeah, so we have first included the charts.js. Like we have imported the JS deliver, and with the help of charts, we display like dynamically display according to what the user's stock prices are. So we display the charts, okay? And below that, below that we have a fetch code which basically fetches API request. Just a second. So we like using the symbol, we can fetch API and we can use the actual data using the API, which is FinHub. Like this is the holdings board, holdings chart, okay? And then below that we have the transaction. Yeah, below that we have the script for first time users.
Mm-hmm. First
We
one.
have the next button, previous button, and skip tutorial. So we have included functions for that.
Mm-hmm. Good one.
That's it for the home page. And above that, like we have included the trade history and holding chart. So we have included all the information and the headings.
Uh-huh.
Yeah. And then I'll also go through the learn page, learn.html.
Video
Yeah. So
section, no?
basically we sorry. Yes, sir.
Okay.
So basically we have two columns. One is for the main video and one is for the other videos that we have in the playlist. Uh, so can yeah. Where should I go? Yeah, just stay here. So here what I have done is that we have made every video as a button, and when you click on them, it plays on the main playlist.
Oh, okay. Nice.
This is the functionality. This and now we'll go to the trade page. These are the hard-coded videos, as I would say. Yeah.
Durgesh, don't.
Trade page?
Like, ah.
Yeah, trade page. So I'll explain a few functionality. Could you go to line 170? Yeah, this one. So here what is happening is that when we click on the limit, the first line, when we click on the limit, it checks if the stock has reached that limit. If yes, it adds a it adds a block where we can enter our limit. If not, then it does not, and we can continue our stock trading like the
Okay, okay.
transaction.
And another developer.
Okay, I'll pass it on to Soham.
Yeah, sir. My name is Soham, and I'm the one of the team members. I worked on the mostly the back end part.
Okay.
Deva, can you go to the controls? Yeah. So this is the back end part, which is like the backbone of the our website. The API, which is like API code, API symbol, and the chart, mainly work for the fetching the real information and then passing it on to the HTML pages. Then we can see the execute trade. Can you open that, Reva? Yeah. So execute trade basically is working on that where what user chooses and what like market limit and all that stuff. It mainly works on the taking the data from the FinHub API. And then we got the home page in which we have included the holdings and the transaction history, in which we are importing the data from the databases which is present in the models. Different types of tables we have made for the transaction history, portfolio history, and then we have passed it on to the home page to show it holdings table and the transaction history table. Then we got the main part is register and login pages are easy ones. The research and the stock info. In stock info, we basically just fetch the stock information from the symbol in which we are using the FinHub API. we just get the input from the user and then fetch it so that we can get the real-time information on that and explain it to the user how uh, which stock to buy and how it is doing right now. In the trade page, trade.py, we have just made the all that the trade page that you just saw, uh, the market price, the sell limit, and that all that stuff, in which we have also included like live fetching of the symbol data. That's all.
Yeah, or only three members, na?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
or you use local data.
Sorry, local.
Sorry.
Means, wait a second. Okay, you not upload your front end on live, na? Means Vercel.
No, we tried doing it, but there were some errors, so we just hosted it locally on GitHub.
Okay, so
I mean, not even GitHub actually, VS.
okay, okay, nice project. And any issue face today during the
Issue
project?
wise, actually, yeah, in the beginning we designed our database schema, but later we realized that we needed another table for the history. So then we had run into some problems, but we adjusted that.
This
And
project is mobile friendly uh, or not?
no, actually,
Right,
currently it's just
only website, yeah.
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 Like only works on mostly the laptops. The main issue faced like was the like a simulator works in which like in real life we cannot buy or sell when the market is closed. But here right now we can buy or sell even if the market is closed right now. So
Yeah.
that is one of the issues. So we have to work on it.
Okay, okay. Explain me your tech stack and why you chose it. Tech stack you use on your project.
Vaishnavi, would you like to answer that, or should I? You can go ahead. Okay, so actually mainly for the backend we chose Flask and SQL Alchemy as SQL Alchemy comes integrated with Flask. So we thought that was an easier option, as well as Soham and I had worked on a project on this beforehand, so we were a little familiar with it. And again for HTML, CSS, we're all familiar. We have used them before, even when in our high school and all. So we felt it would be easy, and for others would be a big learning curve for us. Already we had to learn API integration, so we felt that we should stick to the things we know, and this is mainly our motivation behind using
Oh,
our
okay,
tech stack.
okay. Wait 1 minute, okay? Wait 1 minute.
Yeah.
Okay, so okay, close your screen. Okay, second team CodeCrafter. Please share your screen and explain. Okay, Durgesh. Okay, Durgesh. Unmute yourself first. Unmute, Durgesh. We can't hear your voice. Unmute. Hello, Durgesh. Unmute yourself. Hello, hello, Durgesh. Any other CodeCrafter member? Hello, any other CodeCrafter member? Please explain. Otherwise, share your screen. Durgesh, we can't hear you. Okay, check your mic. Hello, Durgesh. We can't hear you. Check your mic.
Just a minute, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Next team is Team Pixel. Okay, so prepare after this. One second. One second. Okay. Start. Yeah, Durgesh. Start. Yeah, yeah. Start. Mhm. Okay. Don't explain everything. Just explain me what you use. Don't explain everything. Ah, yeah. Hello. Hello, Durgesh. Deepali, you check. हाँ 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 नहीं चलो रुको
like 20 seats, OTA. While you click, it can generate
Your
the
screen is
penalty.
stuck, Durgesh.
Oh, as in like
Hello, Durgesh, your screen is stuck.
while you click on play bid, or then the ad is the ad.
Hello, Durgesh. Hello,
Hello.
your screen is stuck. Go slow, don't worry.
Screen is properly displayed, sir.
No. Stop your screen, then share again.
Yes, sir.
Stop your screen and share again.
Ah, yes, sir.
Hello, Durgesh. Hello, Dipali. Please check.
Sir, can I explain the backend part of that?
Okay, share your
Because I think
screen,
there is
then
network issue there.
okay, share your screen. Right. Team Pixel, prepare. Okay. Yeah, it's visible now.
Sir, can you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Screen visible, sir.
Okay, sir, myself Dimple, and I am the team member of the CodeCrafter. I handle the backend part of this project,
Mhm.
which is created using the Django framework, basically. So you can see here the project folder overview. So first in the project structure, you will see a folder called live auction backend here, and this is the root of the Django backend. Inside it, we have an app name auction, and then which contain all the important files like models, views, URLs, and admin settings. Then we have the main Django project setting in the live auction backend folder. So I will explain one. Here is a models.py. So let open models.py. This is where we define the structure of the our database table using the Django ORM. We have built three core models: auction, bid, and wallet. Auction, bid, and wallet. In first auction, this stores auction. This store auction details: the product name, description, start and end times, starting price and current price. And every auction created in the system is recorded here. Then second is the bid model here. Every bid placed by a user is recorded in this model, and it links to the auction using a foreign key and stores the bid amount, bidder information, and timestamp. Is wallet. So each user has a wallet. It keeps track of the available balance for the user. Before placing a bid, we check whether the user wallet is has enough balance or not. If as the bid goes through and the amount get deducted. Then second is views.py. So in this, this is the heart of our business logic. And
Okay.
whenever a front end user performs action like placing a bid or viewing auction details, it comes here. So the key functions of this views.py is list auction, list active auctions, place a bid, or view auction details, recharge wallet, etc. For placing a bid, our logic of first check if the auction is still live and whether the bid is higher than the current price or not. If then it then verifies the bidder's wallet balance, and if all the check pass, it deducts the amount, updates the current auction price, and then saves that bid.
Okay.
Then next is urls
Okay, okay,
dot
okay,
py.
okay.
Uh,
Deepali, okay.
uh,
Any other how many front end pages you use?
Sorry, sir, I can't able to hear your voice.
Show me your front end.
Sir, actually, I created only the backend part. The front end part is not running on my system, so this is the issue. And the front end part is only work on the Durgesh system.
Why?
Sir, because the
Yes, Dimple.
React is not supported in my system, so that's why.
Okay, okay, okay. So Durgesh, okay. Yeah.
Let me explain that.
Front end page. Show me your front end page on Chrome browser. Okay, only one page front end. Any? Okay, okay. Work on UI. Okay. Okay. And what tech tech you use in project? Hmm. Okay, okay. Uh, okay, fine. Stop your screen. Yeah. Team Pixel, please share your screen and okay, okay. Firstly, Team CodeCrafter, only Dipali or Durgesh, na? Third member. Who is your third member? What? Where is Shruti? Yeah. Okay, okay. No, 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 no question. Okay. Okay. Team Pixel, please share your screen and explain your project. Okay, demo. Team Pixel. Okay. Who shared the nice name? Yeah.
Okay, sir, so I am Pratim Advani. I'll start with the introduction of
Oh,
my team.
okay, okay, ठीक
So, good evening, everyone. We are here to present to you our project Auction House, a dynamic and interactive online auction platform. Can you please shift to the next slide, the problem statement?
है. Nice PPT.
Thank you, sir. The problem statement is that traditional auction systems are either offline, outdated, or lack modern features like real-time bidding, balance management, and user-friendly interfaces. There's a gap in the market for a responsive,
role-based, and customizable auction platform that can be used for both demo and real use purposes, especially for communities, schools, fundraisers, or collectibles marketplaces. Now Dave will proceed with the demo of the website.
Okay. Mm-hmm. What a demo account tried me. Okay. Yeah. This is nice video. Okay. 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 I know. Okay. Admin or who's great. Okay. Okay. How add money in wallet? Okay. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay. Fine. Fine. Okay. Any other page? Oh, nice. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. Show me your backend. Then yeah, code where you upload your backend. Okay, backend on Netlify and front end also Netlify. On backend?
So, so for now, our website is basically first focus on the front end because we just wanted to implement the basic functionalities we are requiring, the form statement required. So we
Mm-hmm.
have worked on React and TypeScript for now. And sir, we are so sorry to give you the backend as I am the backend developer on this team and I have deployed the front end on the Netlify. But the backend was there was an issue in the backend part is that while I was creating and rendering the images, like if the user if user uploaded any image for the auction part, the image is not being fetched the MongoDB. As in the last hour we saw that there is a building purpose in MongoDB to store images. That's why we have cancelled that part. Otherwise, we can use Firebase and MongoDB with the billing purpose to store all the images and stakes in a proper manner in a proper schema model. So
Yeah.
that's the issue we have faced.
Okay, okay, fine, fine. Show me your backend code, front end code also.
These are the components which we have added. This is the admin panel.
Use TypeScript, na?
Yes, TypeScript and React.
Okay.
I imported the React and this is our and
Explain me.
yes, sir. Below I have created the user. If the user role is not admin, then he will not be redirected to the admin page as the and admin it will give the message access denied admin privileges required if the user is not admin.
They'll go slow. They'll go slow. Don't worry. Go slow.
And sir, here
Okay, okay.
here the admin is creating any account if he wants to, and he can also delete uh, uh, by delete confirm and by using the state of the user he can delete the bid if he or she wants to, as we have seen in the demo. And if the admin wants to delete the account of the user, he can delete by this function. And for authentication purpose, the admin can use this.
Okay, other pages.
Uh, and other component is auction card. So when this component, the card is designed when we create a bid,
Go
then
down, go down.
all those functionalities which you were able to see, like we were able to add the description and we were able to add the image from the internet, or we were able to like set time manually also. Like if someone wants to manually set the time of the bid, like
Okay.
at what day
Mhm.
and what hours you want to start the bid, he can set the time from there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah. Okay, show
functionality
me
was
your
given
backend.
from there. That's it.
Okay. Who's work
This is
on
the
backend?
what's it?
Who work on backend?
Sir, I was in the PPT, Rectify deployment, and in the backend part, sir.
Okay, so explain me backend.
Sir, actually, we were directing the user authentication and backend development to Node.js, Express.js to store it in the MongoDB. But
Mm-hmm.
as I told you that due to the billing purpose, we can't store the images, and due to that, all the codes were cracked in last few hours. So that's why we have to delete that pages. We have to
Okay.
delete that file. And right now we have a future plan of to work with Firebase console where we can store the images in Firestore, but billing purpose is lesser than MongoDB. And we will do all the user authentication also through Firebase as it has the feature of Google Sign In and Google Sign Out. So that's why we
Okay,
have a
fine,
future
fine,
plan of
fine,
that.
fine. Okay, our next member, who is your next member? Kranti, na, I think. Kranti, show me your work. Miss, what you work.
Yes, I have also worked. I have also contributed to the front end portion.
Okay.
Uh, I'll explain the next components. Create option model. Can you explain? So, summing up this basically this component explains, like for users, it is basically focused on how to create a new auction. The
Mm-hmm.
purpose of the component is like entering. When we created a new auction, there were fields like title, description, starting date, duration, etc. It is basically meant for submitting that data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so the components prompts are like the is open boolean controls visibility, and on close is a function to close the model,
Okay.
and is open the early return. The is open function is or not user returns null. This means if the model is not open or user is not logged in, we have to render nothing. The form next is the can you please scroll down? The next is the form submission handler. So this basically handles the prevents the default form behavior, the things that are getting submitted, and the next and also performs basic form validation like the title, description, category which are required, and also handles that the starting bit must also be greater than 0. It calculates the start time, end time, and please scroll down to create auction function.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Fine. So,
It
okay,
yes, sir.
Kranti. Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So, in the project, it's a project mobile friendly or not?
So could you please repeat your question?
Project is
Yes, sir,
mobile
it is
friendly or
mobile.
not?
Yes, sir, it is mobile. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. And
We have also implemented tailwind CSS,
mm-hmm.
so result will be mobile friendly as it doesn't require as we don't need to apply media queries.
Mm-hmm.
It adjusts the site and website adjusts itself according to the speed.
Okay. And tech stack. What use tech stack? Tell me.
Text is was we have for designing we have used tailwind CSS.
Hmm.
And if you can show the PPT so that sir can better understand about the problem. Yeah. This is the documentation. We have also uploaded it on Unstock app of submission.
Mm-hmm.
So everything, the features also are written there. For type safety purpose, we have used TypeScript.
Okay. Nice. You got documentation. Okay. Good work. Text type.
Say we can
Show
also
me
do the
text.
architecture. We can show the future architecture and future plan also that we have made the system architecture of that is shown in the PPT also. You can check it. Then can you go there? This is the as you can see we have taken the MongoDB as a database and admin panel for the CRUD operations that like the admin panel should have the right to create, read and update and delete the basic information that the user has uploaded. The payment gateway we will use Stripe. PayPal and his PayPal is obviously it is not for free, so we will use Stripe to
Mm-hmm.
implement the payment part. And for the authentication purpose, without using Node.js and Express.js, we have tried we will use the Firebase authentication where you can seamlessly control the user authentication through Google sign up, GitHub sign up, and any other application sign up also very smartly.
Good. Good. Okay. Technical stack. React. TypeScript.
And sir, this is the features of our application, like the intuitive design. Obviously, we have used Tailwind CSS. That's why it is a response friendly for mobile also. And then we have create auction we have create auctions purpose like user can list new auctions by providing item details, starting price, and duration. And for types of code base, we have used TypeScript. That's why we have TypeScript because there is more security available than JavaScript. And then there's a component-based architectural view through React components. And for live bidding interface, we have used dynamic UI that we have implemented through the like the some packages that are available on net to enhance the user interface through React components.
And obviously, we have uses a toggle implementation for the dark mode feature of the UI. And sir, as I've told, there are some of the future plans with Firebase and MongoDB. That's it. This is the application.
Okay, okay. Anurup, good work on PPT and the project also. Okay, so good work. So nice project. Okay, okay. Stop your screen there. What, Dev? Okay, okay, okay. Stop your screen. Now I think last. Okay. What's I think which team? Okay. Team CPU. Okay. Team CPU. Share your screen and explain.
Yes. Good evening, sir. Good evening, sir.
Okay. Good evening. Wait.
My screen
Wait.
visible?
Wait. Wait. Yeah, it's visible. Nice. Nice.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Aditya from Team CPU, and my teammates Aditya and Romero. So we built this website.
Uh-huh.
It is built on one
It's built on.
stack. We've used Rent.
Okay. Start. Hello.
Aditya, you are not audible.
So I'll continue. I'm Romero from Team CPU as well.
Who's
Okay,
okay?
so
Wait.
I think there is some net issue
Okay.
on
Remove.
Alican's end.
Okay. Okay. Ramiro, share your screen, then explain you. Okay.
No, Aditya is sharing the screen. I'll explain for that.
Okay, Aditya. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, can you all hear me? No?
Yeah, Alican. You can explain.
Yeah, so we built the website on one stack. We have MongoDB for the backend, Node and Express for the backend, MongoDB as the database, and React for the frontend. We use Tailwind CSS for the styling and chassis and components for the UI. Our entire website is responsive on the mobile and tablets also, along with the laptops and computers. So this is our landing page, and let us get started.
Oh, nice landing page. Numbers. Nice work. Okay.
Yeah, my teammates are Romero. Yeah, let's get started.
Yeah, good teammates.
Over here we option to sign in and sign up. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using Google. So we've used Firebase authentication for this. So
Okay.
yeah, we're just signing right now. When you sign up using an account, you initially, if this is the first time signing up to something, you get to select whether you want to be a participant, organizer, or a judge. So yeah, just we sign up with a new account which doesn't have an account yet. Yeah, so you enter all of these details, and all this is stored in MongoDB. We're using Mongo Atlas to host the DB.
Okay.
So yeah, once
MongoDB
you
Atlas. Okay.
create this account, you see this page, you can select what you want to log in as a participant, a judge, or an organizer. And once you click on continue, yeah, you have to complete your profile. So once you enter whatever skills over here, complete your profile, you are redirected to the main page. We also have a drop down for the technical skills and everything, so everything just automatically comes. You don't need to think a lot.
Okay.
Nothing is compulsory apart from the required skills. And yeah, over here you can see this drop down that comes. You can then click on complete your profile and it redirects you over here. Now we already have a profile with a lot of information and a lot of details, so we just log in through that for the demonstration.
Okay.
Yeah. So once you have logged in and you are redirected to this page,
Good work.
you can see the profile. we'll just show you the profile page first.
Okay.
Yeah, so on the profile page, you have all these different sections of the information. That's your basic info, your professional info, your education level, your achievements.
Oh,
You
nice.
can edit them on the top right, and then once you edit, you can save them whenever you're happy with whatever you all the information.
Oh, good work. Numbers.
Okay. Now we move on to a dashboard. So the dashboard has all basic info about yourself, your recent activity. So anytime you join a hackathon or you submit a project or you create a team, join a team, that all will come in the recent activities, updated live, and then upcoming deadline. So once you join a hackathon and there's a submission deadline for the hackathon, it will come up in upcoming deadline. Next, we move on to the hackathon page. So over here, these are the current hackathons available. We'll show you them in detail later on. First, we can go see the My Hackathon and Teams page. So these are all the hackathons and teams you are currently a part of. So this is the hackathon name, the team name, the code. So I'll explain what the code is for later, and then the members which are currently in your hackathon team. So just see the key projects page. We'll show this page later. So yeah, the projects, these are all the projects that you have made. So where you can edit your project, you can see other people's projects. If it's a public project, everyone's project is visible as long as it's public. And you can also create private projects and you can see them. So where you click on any project, click on a project. Let's show them a project. So over here you can see this project, it has the description, the problem statement, and different links. So whenever you click on any of these links, you are redirected to it. So you click on code, you will be redirected to the GitHub link of that particular repository. Whatever you have inputted.
Okay, nice work.
You can edit the project. If it's your project, you can edit it, delete it, whatever. And over here you can see this is our project, so you can edit and delete it. And over there you see the link, the photos. So that we have done using Cloudinary. This project gallery, we've used Cloudinary to upload and save all the photos.
Okay.
Let's move on to the achievements page. So in the achievements page, every time, whatever time you spend on the website, you unlock different kinds of achievements. So there are achievements for joining hackathons, submitting projects, winning hackathons, different types of projects and achievements are there. And every time you unlock them, you get a small badge. These are unlocked automatically, so you don't have to do anything other than be active on the platform. We can move on to the analytics page. Over here we have different graphs that you can view. So your monthly activity, your total progress, like how you are improving. They're showing this as a graph. We're using Recharge for this. So Recharge and TSS and StatCN for this page. These are the different charts and graphs and stuff you can. Let us move on to the main part of our website, which is the hackathon. So for a hackathon, there's obviously completed hackathon. So in a completed hackathon, like FinTech Future AI Innovations, you can see the results are declared. So once the results are declared and you scroll down, you can see the leaderboard of a hackathon. So over here, these are the teams. So these two teams, and this is the first place and the second place team. Now this is a hackathon which you have not participated in. But if you have participated in one, we'll show you one which we have participated in. So so in a one which you have participated, you will get a certificate, a participation certificate. We'll show one. So this is a hackathon which you have participated and you have come first. So you get this participation certificate and a winner certificate. So the certificate is downloaded and you can show the certificate also.
Oh, good work.
So this certificate is automatically generated by our website itself. The organizer doesn't have to do anything other than declare the results. The results are also automatically calculated by the website itself according to the grading. We'll show you the entire grading process. And over here we can show a live hackathon, an ongoing hackathon. So in ongoing hackathon, you get an option to submit projects. So over here, go to the team dashboard page. So over here you can see you can create a new project. So when you create a new project, you can upload all the details of your project and you can submit it for judging. And over there, then the judge and the organizer of the hackathon can see your project.
And you see this one more team code, team join code. So the way this works is you get to just show upcoming hackathon. We can show the joining
Good
process and
work,
creation
good
of
work,
team.
Empress.
Back to dashboard and then show upcoming hackathon, which we can do.
Okay,
Let's go to the organizer part.
organizer part.
Yeah, okay, we'll move on to the organizer part. Okay, see, so organizers, again, we have a profile section for the organizers. It's the same as the other profile. The dashboard, yeah, it has basic info, organization info, and then the dashboard. Let's go to the dashboard.
Only two roles, na? Student and organizer. Or any...
Organizer, we have a judge, and then we have an admin. So we have four roles.
Okay.
Four roles. Okay, so yeah, the organizer, it has a few short forms, short buttons, quick actions where you can create a hackathon to your profile, to your analytics. It has the same recent activity and then top performers. There's also updated live as it goes. Nothing is hard coded in the website. Go to the My Hackathon. Yeah, so over here you can see the organizer can see all the hackathons in this calendar format. So whenever on whichever date they have a hackathon, they can see it, they can view the details, and yeah, so click on create new. Let's show them how to create a hackathon. So here you see this hackathon. This is a creation hackathon page. So here, yeah, just enter any name, enter the organizer name is automatically put. There's different themes you can select from. There's this entire timeline. So registration date, registration end. And whenever you input any date, input anything in the website, it is automatically handled by a backend. So everything from this point onwards, once you have entered all the date and everything, is automatically handled by a backend, including the results and the judging, everything. So yeah, you can see now you enter these problem statements. Now problem statements are not released to the participants until the hackathon starts. So when registration, they cannot see the problem statements, and when the hackathon starts, you can actually see the problem statements displayed to the participants. There's different judging criteria which you can give. We'll show you that when you get to the judging. You can add or remove criteria. You can enable multi-stage hackathon, and then you can decide the prizes too.
Nice.
Yes. Now, once you've created a hackathon, you need to have a judge for the hackathon. So
Yes.
when you click on My Hackathon, go to the latest one. You see, you can manage judges, top right. And here you can add all these judges. So just send an invite to judge. Yeah, you send an invite. Now, the judge has to accept the invite. Just accept the invite to the judge. Yeah, so here he gets an invitation. You can see he has this notification invitation. He can view the details of the hackathon, so all different things that the organizer has put, and then he can accept or decline the invitation. Now, once you accept it, your hackathon is going to the admin, which approves whether or not the hackathon will actually be displayed on the website. So yeah, this is the admin page.
Okay, main page. Okay.
Yeah, now this hackathon has come to the admin to be approved. And yeah, once he approves and publishes it, now it has been shown to the student. Before that, it is not shown to the student.
Okay.
Yeah, this has been approved and published. So yeah, now on the organizer page, you can scroll down a bit, and you can see the share button. So over here, a poster is automatically generated for your hackathon along with the QR code and a registration link and different links for you to share it. You can download the poster as a PNG or a PDF, and yeah, once you download it, you can just show the downloaded poster also. Yeah, this is how your poster will look, so you can directly share this.
Nice work. Okay.
For the organizer. Now we'll just show you a few details. Go to AI innovations. Scroll down. AI innovation back. Yeah, view details. So over here you can see this is a completed hackathon. So you can post announcements. This is made using WebSockets. So whenever you post an announcement, it is directly published to all the participants and they can see what is happening. On the overview page, you have judges, you have submitted projects, and you have all these basic details about your hackathon, whatever you can see. Next is the problem statement on the next tab. There's the teams that have participated. There's the participants. There's the timeline of the entire hackathon. It is shown like this in a timeline format. Next, we have the settings, so you can change the settings over here. There's the chat feature. The chat feature will explain with the judges itself, and then the results.
Okay, okay,
Yeah, so the results are automatically published, but you can publish them also.
okay, okay, okay. Okay,
Yeah.
nice. Or show me your backend.
Okay. Romero will show you the backend.
Yeah.
Okay, so the tech stack that we have followed for the
One second, one second,
project.
one second.
Yes, sir. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Okay, so the tech stack that we have used is the Merge stack along with using React, sorry, Tailwind and ChatCN for designing the website as well. So which part do you want to see first, sir? Front end or
Backend.
back?
Show me backend.
Alright. So let's start with the backend. So we have divided the backend into multiple folders, starting with the config. So the config has two things. One is the database.js, which will have the database connection function in this. Next is the Firebase admin. Here, this is where we have done the token creation from the Firebase, and then we send the token to the front end to be saved so that the session logic is saved there.
Good work.
Then controllers. Now we have a lot of controllers because we have like around 4 sites in our website as well. Okay, so let's start with the achievement controller. So this is the controller which is used to generate the achievements, basically which you saw in the participant side, right? So those achievements are generated from here. So let's just, if you want to go function by function, I can do that as well if you want.
No, 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 no. Okay. Show me your
Alright,
MongoDB cluster.
alright, I'll show you the function. Uh, yeah, okay, so this is our MongoDB. So this is the project we have named it, and then achievements is the first schema. So let's just show you that. Okay, so we can see one is profile perfectionist, that is one. The other one is winner, that is one, our first hackathon, veteran, that been part of the platform for 30 days. So we have created multiple badges so that once the participant completes them, then we can add these badges, like the IDs of these achievements, in their achievements array that they have in the user form. Got it?
Okay.
Then these are the chat messages that are present between the judges and the organizer so that they can talk to each other and save them.
Show
Right now
me
there are no
user,
chats.
user.
Alright, I'll show you the user. So one second, take it. Okay, so this is the user. So first the Mongo ID, then the Firebase UID that is generated if they are logging in via Firebase, then email, then the display name that they are fetching from the Firebase only, then the photo URL if the user has a photo of course, and then if the profile is completed, that we are mandating while creating the profile only, and then we have this profile big object that will have many things. So the first name is fetched from this only, the display name. We are splitting the name. Their last name also is taken from their bio. We are asking from the while they are creating the profile. Then location also we are taking from them. Then company, job title, that all also we are taking from them. Experience we are taking that as students. Now the skills was the drop down that you saw in the participant when we created. So Romero Fernandez is the participant, right? So here he has added the skills like React, JavaScript, Next.js from that drop down which he selected. Now next education that he can add via the profile page that we saw there. And then social links, if any. So social links I have added my GitHub, LinkedIn portfolio, and Twitter, all the main links that are required. And then achievements, right now Romero doesn't have any achievements. I'll show you if there are other ones who have achievements. Right?
Okay. Show me
So the
Teams
admin also.
database.
Which database, sir?
Teams.
Okay, I'll show you Teams, sir. It'll take a while to do.
Okay.
Okay, so these are the teams that are being generated. So the join code of course has to be there, and then the leader's object ID. So the leader is a user, right? So that object ID we are referencing here, and that leader is saved here, and then we can see the members as an array. So this will have the members, their object IDs stored here in an array. So most of the teams we have just created like solo members only. So here there is one member, so we can see this one. Okay, so there is no member here, sorry.
Okay.
So you can see like how the object ID is being referenced, which is the user's object ID. Basically.
Good.
And if there are any members, they will be there in this array.
Okay, so you are come back in, na?
Yes, we all
Others
have worked on front end and back end both. So
both.
we went how was like we went feature wise. So we were like we have to make this feature. So whoever gave that idea of making the feature, we were like we'll
Mhm.
create the front end and the back end both entirely and push that to the GitHub.
Yeah, good
So we were
work.
working feature wise. And
Yeah, good
the
work.
so yes, sir, we have also deployed this via Vercel and via render. So the backend is deployed via render and the front end is deployed via Vercel.
Okay,
So this is
backend
making it more.
render. Okay, okay.
Yes, sir. This is via render. So these are the environment variables that we can use a lot of them. So
Uh,
Cloud Lady for uploading images and so on and so forth. We have also included Grok API key that we are using. If the judge, when he's analyzing the project, he can create the analysis of that when you're putting the GitHub link directly. So the
okay,
Grok
okay.
analyzes and generates a proper report via that.
Yeah, yeah. Good project. Okay, so stop your screen. Wait 1 minute. All okay. So all teams, good work. Okay. Uh, I'm really impressive for your work. Okay. To every participant, thank you for putting your heart and mind in this journey. Okay. Whether we win or not, today we walk away a real experience. Okay. Teamwork, lessons, and something you build from scratch. Okay. And uh, so keep building, keep learning, and never stop innovating. Okay, friend, team members. Until next time, this is BucketStudy team signing off from the Hackathon 2025 live presentation. Okay, and some points. Uh, wait, okay, the judging panel will now carefully review our presentation. Okay, for innovation, code quality, and functionality. Okay, and teamwork, presentation clarity. Final result announced within 24 or 28 hours uh, on Bucket Study or Unstop also. Okay, portal. You know, reward and certificate will be distributed within the 7 working days after result declaration. Reminder, quick reminder to all teams, all hackathon projects developed during this event are the part of the official Bucket Study project portfolio. Okay, they must be not shared, reused, or published without written permission from Bucket Study team by passed by participating you have knowledge or agree this policy. Okay. And okay, so thank you all for joining uh, live presentation. So we share a result on Unstop also and Bucket Study website also. Okay. Okay. Thank you, everyone. You can leave.
Thank you.
Okay. Good work. Good work, all members.
Thank you, sir, for giving us the opportunity.
Yeah, good work. Okay. Left. The
Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me, I'm free from what I'm living in. Music is my therapy, dancing is my medicine. Lifting every part of me. So don't tell me you want me, just because you love me, just because you saw me at the party. Take my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Don't tell me you want me, just because you love me, just because you saw me at the party. Bring my homies, we can take it slowly, we can take it slow. Because